Welcome to Guide for RealiteQ Project Designers. Part 1. How to connect iCex to your project. Basic instructions. Before starting you need iCex model T245 or T255, antenna, SIM card, 9 to 30 volts DC power supply. Of course, computer with LAN connector and Wi-Fi, and standard LAN cable. You need to get URL of your project, your username and password from your local distributor or RealiteQ support. Important, you must have administrator's permissions. Hardware and cable connections. Insert SIM card as shown in the video. Unscrew 2 back panel hex bolts with included tool and remove the back panel. Pull out a little the PCB. Insert SIM card following the sign on PCB. Important. If you insert only one SIM, insert it always on bottom tray. Push back PCB inside, close back panel and screw bolts. Connect cellular and GPS antennas. Screw antenna on mobile connector on back panel, as shown in the video. Screw GPS antenna on GPS connector on back panel. Important, GPS antenna and functionality are optional. Contact RealiteQ for details. Connect Ethernet cable and power. Connect Ethernet cable on front panel. Connect 9 to 30 volts DC. Plus to upper left pin of 16-pin connector. Signed with plus, and 0 volt to lower left pin of 16-pin connector, signed with minus. Insert 16-pin connector to iCex. Wait about 2 minutes for iCex to reboot and find network. iCex comes with default IP address, 192. 168. 16. 202. Set manually IP address in your computer. Open network and internet settings. Select internet. Change adapter options. Right-click on your Ethernet card and select properties. Select TCP IPv4 and then properties. Switch to use the following IP address. Type IP 192, 168, 16, 200. Click to fill subnet mask. Confirm with OK and close the windows. Download status group template from RealiteQ website. Open your browser. Enter in RealiteQ website www.realitq.com. Select downloads. Select specs and manuals download. Download status group template. Save file on your desktop. Now we are ready to start settings. Open your browser. Connect to iCex and to your project. Type iCex IP 192, 168, 16, 202. Enter username iCex and password iCex. Open a new tab. Type URL of your project. For this demo we are using project name tutorial.realitech.net. Give name of your iCex. Add it as a group on your project tree. Open project and configuration window. Open nodes. Add new group. This group is our iCex. Let's give it name, TUT_01. In tag name and description areas you can enter free text in any language. Apply. Now our iCex appears as group in project tree. Give ID number to iCex. Create access token. From project configuration and edit menu select access token. Apply on create. Type / and then iCex name. Click on add. Access token is created. Set iCex unit name and project URL in iCex web interface. Switch to iCex tab. In unit name field type iCex name. We named it TUT_01. In project URL field type the name of your project. Write new parameters in iCex memory. Copy access token to iCex web interface. Switch back to the tab of your project. And then to access token. Copy access token. Switch again tab to iCex interface. Paste access token. Write new parameters in iCex memory. Edit status group with Excel. Open status file on your desktop. Select replace. Type default name /icex_01. Replace it with the name of your iCex. In our case it is /TUT_01. Save file. Upload status group to your project. Open again project configure and edit page. Open nodes menu. Open project tree and then click of the group of your iCex. The name of the group appears in path field. Click on upload. Choose file status on your desktop. Open it. Click on submit. Confirm upload successful message. Open your iCex name group. Status appears as subgroup. Now we are ready. Last step, restart iCex. Switch again to iCex tab. Log in again. Apply on restart. Wait few seconds until communication returns. Log in again. Congratulations! Now you are connected. Switch to Status tab to see communication parameters. Switch back to the tab of your project. Open Status Group to see communication parameters on your project tree. Now you can do it by yourself. For questions and help, please contact us at info@realitech.com.